I even dare? Yeah, no, we're not doing that today. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. Oh, but it's over here too. Oh, cargo. Oh my God, no. No, 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 no.
So we did it.
Yeah, mom purchased that.
Basically rolling. Hey,
Welcome to the show. No, 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 no. Oh, no, please, please. What the fuck? I thought this was a side road. Oh, my Jesus, thank you. Oh, my God, thank you so much. Jesus, oh, my gosh, I'm going to church every Sunday. Oh, God. Oh, my Lord. God, I thought that was it. I thought that was it. I thought that was gonna be it. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you, Jesus. What is going on, guys? It's Jakari. Back at it again. I know I'm a little late for the video, but I wasn't feeling too good, so I had to postpone it. And I haven't really been doing anything interesting. Hopefully tomorrow I can get some good footage. But remember how it's been like raining and like crazy floods all over the city? Alright, maybe not that bad of a rain, but it's still pretty bad. Yeah, well, imagine living through that and having a convertible, you know? So this is the, just a little video to show you guys what happens when, it rains hella hard on my tiny car. Enjoy! Okay. Okay. Alright, I gotta try to figure out where. Should I just go through it? Like, how am I supposed to get around it? There's no way. Wow. Oh, there's no way. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Oh, this is a side road? Oh, Pete. Pete, but how we gonna... Dude, how am I supposed to get to work? Shit, just took the highway. Then take valve?
Like aftermarket one.
Nope.
You'll be alright, son. Hey.
Free tire wash. That's kind of funny. All that dirty water. So check it out. Yesterday when it rained like crazy, there's a whole bunch of water underneath my car inside. So I need to go to the vacuum cleaners and hopefully suck as much of it out as I can. So every time I rest my feet, the water just builds up.